Most people are taught to believe that wealth is competitive, that if someone else wins, there's less available for them, that money is scarce, opportunities are limited, and success must be fought for. This way of thinking is so normalized that most people never question it. But competition-based thinking quietly creates stress, comparison, urgency, and fear, none of which support sustainable wealth. In this lesson, we're going to dismantle that model and replace it with something far more powerful: creative thinking. Competition assumes limitation. It assumes that resources are fixed and that your success depends on outperforming someone else. Creation operates from a completely different premise. It assumes that value can always be generated, that opportunities can be created, and that your role is not to compete for what exists, but to contribute something new. This is not philosophy, it's practical. When you operate creatively, your decisions become clearer and your actions become calmer. Notice how competition affects your nervous system. It creates tension. It shortens your time horizon. It pulls your attention outward toward what others are doing instead of inward toward what you can build. Creative thinking does the opposite. It expands time. It reduces pressure. It allows you to focus on contribution, improvement, and alignment instead of comparison. Wealth responds to creation because creation produces value. When you create value through ideas, solutions, services, or systems, money becomes a reflection of that value, not a prize you're chasing. This is why people who operate creatively often appear lucky. They're not lucky. They're simply not competing. They're building. Here's an important distinction. Competition reacts, creation initiates. Competition waits for permission, creation moves with certainty. Competition watches the market, creation shapes its own direction. When you shift into creation, you stop asking, what's everyone else doing? And start asking, what can I create from where I am right now? That question alone changes your behavior. This lesson is not asking you to ignore reality or stop being strategic. It's asking you to stop framing your decisions through scarcity. Scarcity thinking narrows options. Creative thinking multiplies them. When you stop competing, you reclaim your energy. And that energy is what fuels clarity, focus, and consistent action. Today, you don't need to be creative in some abstract way. You simply need to notice where competition is shaping your thoughts. Notice comparison, notice urgency, notice fear of being behind. Then gently redirect your attention to creation. Ask what you can build, offer, improve, or contribute without measuring against anyone else. That shift is where wealth begins to accelerate.